Welcome. This is an unboxing and first impressions of the SoundPEATS TrueFree True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. These buds can be purchased on Amazon.com. Price is $33. I'll leave a link in the description. Quick disclaimer, this product was provided to me by SoundPEATS. These earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.0. They have auto pairing, which will automatically pair the buds with your device as soon as they are taken out of the charging case. They have on-ear controls, such as play, pause, and switching tracks. They have an advertised battery life of 3.5 to 4 hours, and the charging case advertises 9 to 10 additional charges for the buds, and SoundPEATS will offer a 12-month warranty with the buds. So let's check these out. Very nice boxing presentation of the buds. There are the buds, there's the case. Let's see what else we got with the buds. We got a very thick user manual. Just for some simple earbuds, seems like a bit much. This does use a micro USB cable, and we are also provided with 3 additional sizes of ear tips. And now for the buds, let's check them out. Alright, so right off the bat, there is no lid with this case. I would assume that the magnets are plenty strong to make sure that these guys don't go anywhere before I even pull them out for the first time. Let's just do a little shake test. Yeah, they are definitely not going anywhere. That is nice to see. All right, let's pull these guys out. It's actually very easy to pull them out. Let's just see how much of a click there is when they go back in. Oh wow, that is very nice. That is a very nice responsive magnetic click. Just for a little size comparison here, here are the Galaxy Buds. That's why everybody's been watching my videos. Just do a little comparison here on the Galaxy Buds versus the SoundPEATS TrueFree earbuds. So now, as you know with these ones, you do a little shake while the case is open, they're going to go flying, and these guys aren't going anywhere at all. But there is not a lid on them, which seems kind of odd. It's really not that inconvenient to simply lift a lid, and it just gives you that peace of mind that these are closed inside of a magnetic case, and if you do drop them or something, nothing will happen. These guys are exposed, but the magnets are quite strong. The case itself, very lightweight. Now this does have a micro USB port, but don't worry, I have a Chotec micro USB to USB-C converter, and I have been using these with all of my micro USB port products, and it has been extremely helpful. You might think that you need to upgrade your device or get a whole new different pair of earbuds or headphones simply because they aren't on that USB Type-C standard, when perhaps your other newer devices have USB Type-C and you don't want to carry around additional cables. Well, you can simply buy a 2-pack of these off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. I think it's like $7 or $8 for 2 of these. And they work extremely well for simply plugging them into a micro USB port, and you can use USB-C charging as intended. So you can just go ahead and try that out now. So it just plugs right into the port, and then you can grab your USB Type-C and go ahead and plug them in, and then you are good to go. So when you plug these in, you will notice the 2 red LED lights on the buds themselves. So first impressions on the form factor, I'm very impressed with the lightweight. I was a little bit thrown off and confused by not having a lid, but perhaps somebody would prefer not having to open a lid when they want to get their buds. They can simply just go in here and pull them out as needed and have that nice feeling of that magnetic class that is a satisfying sound it does make. Now, as I said, these do have auto pairing. So as soon as I took them out of the case, we already see the pairing mode has been activated. I can see already here on my phone that the SoundPEATS TrueFree are on my Bluetooth list. So we're going to go ahead and select them and go ahead and get these paired up. And we have 90% battery charge. Now for the touch controls, these buds actually have buttons. There is a button. I don't know if you can hear this clicking noise. I'll put it up to my mic. Now that may be something that you would prefer if maybe you want to hit an actual button opposed to just like a touchpad and just tapping on the side of your small earbuds. Maybe a button is more of your preference, then maybe these would be a better choice for you. Now, size of the buds themselves. Just do a little comparison here. Thank you, Justin Smith, for subscribing. These are the SoundPEATS. These are the Galaxy Buds. Let's just go ahead and grab one of each. You can do a better comparison that way. Quite differently shaped, and there does not appear to be any sort of sensor on the SoundPEATS like there are on the Galaxy Buds. All right, gonna go ahead and try these on and listen to a song, and I'll get right back to you on initial impressions on comfort level and on sound quality. Okay, so I just finished up listening to a track on the SoundPEATS, and as a point of reference, I also listened to the same track on the Galaxy Buds. I listened to the track at max volume on both buds. So the sound on these was actually louder than the Galaxy Buds, and the bass was actually very strong, if not stronger than on the Galaxy Buds, but the overall sound presentation was cloudy, for a lack of better terms. I still stand by everything I have said in my videos on the Galaxy Buds and that the overall sound presentation is good. So I'm really enjoying the functionality of these buds, and when you take them out of your case, they will automatically pair. So there you go. It does take a few seconds, similar to the Galaxy Buds, but they went ahead and connected, and you hear a little chime to let you know that they are turned on and connected. And then when you place them back into the case, they will then disconnect and turn themselves off. So you can see that they have just disconnected themselves, and they're now back right into charging. Now, something I definitely do not like about these buds is that there are no volume options on the buds themselves. Usually, if you have a truly wireless earbud, your goal is to have that extra portability and being able to get away from being right connected to your device. So you would want features like volume changing to be on your earbuds to be able to take advantage of that truly wireless functionality. Unfortunately, these also feature the low battery, please charge now, lady. So overall, first impressions of the SoundPEATS, I am very impressed for the price tag. You are getting essentially the same ease of use and functionality as a more expensive pair of true wireless earbuds. You have automatic connectivity, automatic shutoff, you have touch controls on the ears, but you do not have volume controls. You do have low battery, please charge, lady. Form factor is not as comfortable as the Galaxy Buds, but they are certainly snug and they're not going to go anywhere. I will be doing some additional side-by-side analysis of these SoundPEATS and the Galaxy Buds. I also have another pair of SoundPEATS wireless earbuds in-house, so we are also going to do an unboxing of those and compare those to the other SoundPEATS truly wireless earbuds. And that's it for this video. Like, comment, sub, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.